My name's Robert, and I've been running the Bite Size Clue channel now for over 4 years. In that time, I've produced over 300 videos and garnered hundreds of thousands of views. And from the bottom of my heart, I do just want to say thank you to every person who has viewed, liked, shared, subscribed, commented on my content, because it genuinely does mean the world to me. I love the little community that I've managed to build here. Of course, with any community, you are going to get comments, and the majority of the comments that I get on my videos are great. It's you guys engaging with the video and chatting with me about your thoughts, and I love having that back and forth. However, in the last sort of year or so, I've noticed one topic that continually comes up, and a lot of people approach it in a nice way, and some people don't, but that is, of course, my eyes. So I think it's finally time to come clean and talk about it. Almost all of the comments are along the same lines. They think I'm reading from a teleprompter that's a little bit too close to the camera, or perhaps I'm using some kind of AI eye tracking technology that just isn't working properly. But that simply isn't the case. You see, from birth, I've had an eye condition called nystagmus. In its simplest form, nystagmus means that my eyes continually wobble from left to right. You're probably noticing it right now. I have absolutely no control over it, and it can be pretty annoying, both for you and for me. How exactly does it affect my vision? Well, you're viewing this video in a beautifully crisp 1080p. Life, to me, is kind of like watching that exact same content in 480 or perhaps even 360p. It's blurry and we're losing a lot of detail. And I know what you're thinking, why don't you just wear glasses? Well, I can and I do from time to time, and that corrects the slight short-sightedness that I have. But there's nothing right now that we can do that will solve the nystagmus. I've grown up with it and lived with it my whole life, and I've tried not to let it hold me back, especially when it comes to content creation and being able to be a little bit independent. But there are simply some things that I can't do, and looking directly into a camera and talking is apparently one of them, as many of you have commented. So why am I producing this video? Basically, whenever I get a comment about my eyes in the future, I'm just going to send them this link, because I'm getting bored of replying the same thing over and over again in the comments every single time. Many of you have a lot of respect, and thank you. But some of you are outright blatantly rude about it. And to you guys, I don't really know what to say. So I hope this video helps you to understand a little bit better what the issue is, and that there is nothing that I can do about it. Going forwards, I am going to try to wear glasses more in my content, particularly these guys. These are the Meta Ray-Bans, the Wayfarers with the clear lenses. I think these things are great. It allows me to capture video and photos, but it also allows me to have my prescriptions built directly into the lenses, meaning that these can also just act like a normal pair of glasses to me. I've got a full review coming with these really soon. Anyway guys, I hope this video just clears up exactly why my eyes do what they do, and I hope that you understand that it's just as annoying for me as it is for you. If you do want to see more tech content in the future and want to find out a little bit more about these guys, then get subscribed down below. Anyway, my name's been Robert, this has been Bite Size Clue, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.